Where did we go?
Oh, they're flying.
We went to Sandbar. David.
Yeah, Dave's restaurant.
David's father. David's restaurant.
You gonna be a bird dog? Huh, Phoebe? How many birds?
7.
All right.
I got 5.
How many did you get?
Well, 1 and a bluebird.
Good girl. Drop it. Good girl. Did you get him cleaned?
I got them clean. I just got to rinse them. No, it's been 25 years since I cleaned a bird.
You did a good job.
Yeah.
Go to Subway for $4 getting a meatball sub.
I love the meatball sub.
Well, I didn't know if you needed anything, if something was wrong.
Thanks for blowing off.
Oh,